Welcome to Bucharest, the vibrant capital of Romania. Bucharest stands out as an attractive destination for tourists due to its rich historical wealth, cultural heritage, magnificent architecture, and lively atmosphere. Bucharest, as the capital and largest city of Romania, offers an attractive destination for tourists. This vibrant and dynamic city stands out with its rich historical and cultural heritage, magnificent architecture, and lively atmosphere. The historical heritage of Bucharest will enchant you. The Palace of the Parliament is the largest civilian building in Europe and stands out with its grand architecture. The Old Town area exudes a fascinating atmosphere with its historical buildings, churches, and narrow streets dating back to the 19th century. Historical landmarks such as the Romanian Athenaeum are also worth a visit. For nature lovers, Bucharest offers numerous parks and green spaces. Herstru Park is a popular spot with its large lake, walking and biking paths, restaurants, and entertainment activities. Simigiu Gardens, with its central location, offer a tranquil environment with beautiful landscapes, flower gardens, and ponds. Bucharest is renowned for its vibrant nightlife and cultural events. The Old Town area is filled with a variety of restaurants, bars, nightclubs, and cafes. Immerse yourself yourself in the energetic atmosphere filled with local and international music. Additionally, Bucharest hosts numerous concerts, festivals, and cultural events. When in Bucharest, don't miss the opportunity to try the flavors of Romanian cuisine. Traditional dishes such as sarmale. Sarmale is cabbage or grape leaf rolls. Mamlig. Mamlig is cornmeal dish. Miditai. Miditai is spiced grilled meatballs. And papanasi. Papanasi is traditional dessert. I would recommend trying these traditional flavors at many restaurants available here. The city also offers a wide range of international cuisine options. There are plenty of accommodation options in Bucharest, and the prices are quite reasonable compared to many cities in Europe. This city is safe for visitors, and the local people are very hospitable. Bucharest, with its historical and cultural wealth, green spaces, lively nightlife, and culinary delights, is a city waiting to be explored by tourists. Don't forget to include Bucharest on your list for an unforgettable tourist experience.